Hi, my name is Paula. I'm on assignment for the Monroe Evening News at the 3rd Annual St. Jude Children's Research Hospital Fun Show in Ottawa Lake. We're at the Rainmaker Stables. All proceeds from this show go to the St. Jude Hospital. You've got riders from ages 4 to 50 taking place today. There's about 30 riders. And the show organizers talked me into taking a ride on a horse. I've never been on a horse before. They loaned me a hat. I was riding on Zeke, who's owned by Cora Fulkerson. Enjoy. Thanks.
You'll warm up a little bit. Okay.
I get the idea. Let's go.
Help, please.
All the way up.
Video monitor.
I'm really nervous on Zeke though, so.
There you go.
Well, actually, you know what? I'll wait till she gets on because I'm definitely on that one.
Allison, will you come shadow Mary a little bit? She's never ridden a horse, or it's been a while.
Just wait. That lady
No,
was
Paula has never ridden a horse.
Help her a little bit. She's the reporter from the newspaper.
Oh, yeah. When I warm up, I'm just going to see.
That's all I got.